Hey, little shy big eye peepers, it's your girl, little shy big eyes. So, in this video, I'm coming to you to show you my top 5 products and solutions that I've kind of put together myself to combat or to reverse the CCCA, which is hair loss to be exact. This is Miel. It's a leave-in conditioner that I find keeps my hair moisturized so I'm not prone to breakage. But I had to add more stuff to it in order for it to keep that moisture locked in because my hair is so dry. So right here you'll see that I'm expressing the packet out of the packet it comes into and putting it into my spray bottle. I don't like to make too much at one time because I don't want it to, separate and have any kind of bacteria living in it. So I usually just make enough for me to use that moment. I also add in rose water. Rose water really helps to cool my scalp and it helps me to be able to pick and comb through it without any breakage. I also use tea tree oil. This particular tea tree oil actually has some of the pulp in it, and it also soothes my scalp. But if I put this on my scalp raw, my scalp gets irritated. So I always dilute it with some type of carrier oil, and in this case, it would be with the leave-in conditioner and other essential oils. I use 3 droplets full, and I make sure that I get some of the pulp in there too, because I find that if I have that on my scalp, it really soothes the itching and the burning feeling. Someone told me to use Listerine. How about you? What do you think? Here's some lavender oil. I usually put about 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil in there, again for the soothing benefits. It really helps to calm my scalp. I also put in rosemary oil for the same reasons, and then some orange oil. I've been doing a lot of research. Orange oil, all these essential oils are great in fighting bacteria. Jojoba oil, they say, is close to the sebum that our scalp excretes, and this soothes my scalp. It does also hydrate my scalp, and I find that it does strengthen my hair a little bit. Now, the next oil that I'm going to use after the jojoba is amla oil. Now, this oil here is the game changer for me. It has vitamin C, it strengthens, and now studies have shown that amla will regrow hairs where they've been dormant for a really long time. So I've been on this regimen for about 3 weeks now, and I don't know, we'll see. Now all I do is just close the cap. I shake it up nice and vigorously to make sure that everything is mixed together properly. And then I proceed to use it. So this is what I've really been using for the last 3 weeks consistently. Here are some of the other ingredients that I have implemented over time. This is Ask Debbie About Hair's Pure 7 oil. And this right here, one of them is an HRT line, has coffee in it. And then here's her Pure 7 caffeine HRT 2-step system. It is it smells really good, but it's really messy. I'm opening it up here so that you can see the consistency. And this stuff was really expensive. Just these 3 products alone cost me about $80 with the sale. So I don't know. I bought it once. I don't know that I would buy it again because I didn't see a very noticeable change in, my balding and thinning. It did make my hair feel soft, very soft. But again, I'm not looking just for soft hair. I'm looking for growth. Here's the shampoo and conditioner that I use in addition to a leave-in creme brulee. It makes my hair feel good. It's good slip. I don't know though. I think I'm kind of moving towards the Miel collection. I really like the way the Miel products make my hair feel. So after these products from Caravita are finished, I think I'm going to buy a bundle from Caravita for the washing and conditioning portion of my my regimen. Now this does leave my hair moisturized for up to 3 days as well. But again, like I said, your girl, I have really dry hair, so I have to use much more. This is a tea rinse that I made with amla powder, henna powder, shikai kai, and from Henna Souk. What I did before is I put fenugreek seeds in water and I soaked them, and I used that water to make my henna tea. I also used green tea and made another solution of henna tea rinse. I use all natural shea butter to seal my ends, or sometimes I put it on my whole head. I melted it down and I added lavender oil to it, and then I also added some rosemary oil to the shea butter, and then I melted it down. I whipped it, and then I used this to apply it. I can't seem to get it to stay with that consistency though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you have any suggestions on what I should try next, I would really appreciate it. Thank you to the young lady who suggested that I use Vicks. I've also gotten that I should use Listerine. If you know of anything else, please leave it in the comment section below. I appreciate all your feedback. Thank you all. I love you. Peace.